Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
The cost of one Brise would reach as exceptionally high as $20 US by 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert cost conjecture recommends a chance of Brise exchanging between $5 to $5 in 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. In a bullish situation, Bitgert could sort of outperform the $224 mark for 2050, displaying genuinely possible vertical energy in a sort of significant manner. The negative cost expectation for Bitgert Brise in 2040 by and large is $131, with a for the most part possible genuinely high of $159, or so they generally thought. With the truly current cost of $18, Bitgert in a real sense holds its ground on the lookout, which especially is genuinely critical. Starting around 01 Walk 2024, Bitgert generally is exchanging at $18 in term of its first rate, with the value change of 1% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Brise especially has an all-out market cap of $73,045,794 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,186,727 in an unpretentious manner. This really makes Bitgert Brise sort of positioning at 494 in the digital currency market, or so they truly thought. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Bitgert cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Bitgert certainly be exceptionally worth in 2024? Is Bitgert a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024 in a sort of significant manner? Will Brise cost basically outperform its untouched fundamentally high in a sort of large manner? These sort of are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in a very significant manner. Bitgert Brise value expectation 2024 as per the Bitgert gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Brise cost basically is supposed to truly cross a truly normal value level of $1,000.26. The normal truly least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to for the most part be $1,025, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, Brise can generally arrive at an essentially most extreme value level of $1,000 in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert Brise value expectation Walk 2024. Concerning Walk 2024, Bitgert cost is figured to generally arrive at a scarcely the least cost of $1,008 in an unpretentious manner. The Brise cost could arrive at a most extreme cost of $2,000 and with the especially normal expected cost around $9.19 in a truly significant manner. Brise value figure April 2024. The Bitgert gauge for April 2024 expects that the Brise may in a real sense arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $1 with a base cost of around $9, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Discussing the truly normal value Brise can generally stretch around $1,000 for April, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert Brise value expectation May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Bitgert cost by and large is gauged to arrive at a most minimal cost of $1,000 in a huge manner. The Brise cost could by and large arrive at a really greatest cost of $1,022 with the typical expected cost around $9,001 incredibly. Bitgert value estimate June 2024. The normal cost of Bitgert Brise could in a real sense go to $1,022 toward the finish of June 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Brise could for the most part be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $9.3 with the in every practical sense, least expected cost of $9.21 in a huge manner. Brise value figure July 2024. In July 2024 the cost of Bitgert for the most part is gauged to basically be at around a truly least worth of $9.21, which fundamentally is very critical. The Bitgert value worth can generally arrive at a fundamentally limit of $9.04 with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $22 in est incredibly. Bitgert Brise value figure August 2024. For August 2024 the cost of Bitgert especially is in every practical sense, anticipated to sort of arrive at a kind of typical cost of $22, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $25 and an extremely least of $22, which truly is very critical. Bitgert value expectations September 2024. Bitgert cost certainly is supposed to reach between $22 to $26 in September 2024, while the by and large normal cost of Brise for the September generally remains around $3 Brise value estimate October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Bitgert sort of is determined to be at around and especially least worth of $23, especially further appearance how starting around 01 walk 2024 Bitgert really is exchanging at $18 in term of its est rate, with a value change of 1% in most recent 1 hour in a genuinely enormous manner. The Bitgert value worth can explicitly arrive at a genuinely limit of $227 with the typical exchanging worth of $4 in an especially huge way. Bitgert Brise value expectation November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Bitgert cost in a real sense is conjectured to basically arrive at the most reduced cost of $9.25 in a by and large huge manner. The Brise cost could, in every practical sense, arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $9 with the really normal expected cost around $9.25 or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Bitgert value estimate December 2024. The normal cost of Bitgert Brise could go to $6 toward the finish of December 2024, or so they truly thought. Brise could generally be exchanging around and in every practical sense, greatest worth of $2009 with a truly least expected cost of $9.25, or so they essentially thought. Bitgert truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitgert's cost especially has shown an especially decent increment of 10.57% as of now in an unpretentious manner. From very most recent 7 days, the Brise basically was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 30.24%. Bitgert generally has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be certainly great chance to basically dive right in and contribute, which especially is very huge. Bitgert value conjecture 2024 facts. What will especially be Bitgert really worth in 2024 in a kind of significant manner? The Brise value sort of is estimated to basically arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of $dollars and trying with truly least cost of $5 toward the finish of 2024. So Bitgert value expectation September 2024. Bitgert value sort of is supposed to reach between $9.22 to $26 in September 2024, while the fundamentally normal cost of Brise for the September essentially remains around $3 Brise value gauge October 2024. In October 2024,